Front row installation. Press the release tab to remove the headrest. Insert the car key into the side with the hole. Press the release tab at the same time. Remove the headrest. Confirm correct labeling. Make sure the airbags are labeled on the door side. Open the zipper on the seat cover. Slide the cover over the seat back and adjust it. Push the fabric over the headrest trim. Using the tool, tuck the cover between the seat back and bottom. Move the seat towards the front for rear maneuvering. Close the zip on the seat cover. This is an important step. Remove the blocking gear at the bottom of the seat, tucked into the backrest of the seat cover. Pull out the seat cover that came through. Pull the fabric tightly. Tear off the cloth from the Velcro. Secure the fabric to the Velcro. Confirm correct labeling. Place the cover on the seat bottom and adjust it. Using the tool, pass the straps through the seat back and bottom. Using the tool, tuck the cover under the plastic trim. Pass the straps under the seat. Secure the clips and tighten them. Note: improper installation will cause the seat covers to bubble.